Are we making French toast?
We're doing French toast today. We do a chocolate French toast with strawberry and pistachio, a little caramel, a little chocolate sauce, and we finish with Devon cream on the top.
What? Great texture on the bread, by the way. It looks amazing.
Yes, it's dense, but it absorbs very well when you cook. Milk, cinnamon, brown sugar, the brown butter already, pistachio here on the heat pan, the strawberry. Let him dip well.
You get the crunchy texture of the outside of the French toast, but on the inside it feels like creme brulee.
Exactly. You know what you're talking about.
I feel like I do. Can I tell you how many brunch services I've worked in my life? Thousands.
Okay, we are ready to build.
Look how soft the bread is with the really crunchy edges. Yeah.
You want something you can finish and not say, oh, I have a long day and I eat too much.
It's gorgeous, look at that. Chocolate sauce on top. That's a good time. Who wouldn't want to dive into that, man? Whoa. That is Palm Springs all day long. Delicious. Man, this view is spectacular, right? Hey everybody, welcome to the Extra Mile. We are here at the Palm Springs Aerial Tramway, 8,500 feet up in elevation, and the teams are on the way up right now. They're gonna do this crazy salad challenge inside the tram cars. And then we're gonna check out the restaurant up here called Peaks. It is one of the top 10 peak restaurants in the world. Let's get cooking.
We got the seafood citrus salad here.
The heat's here, baby. The heat's here. Check out the salad!
So Chef, tell me what it's like to run a fine dining restaurant at 8,500 feet in elevation.
It gets a little hectic, Tyler. It's definitely a logistic challenge. Things cook a little bit differently. It gets a little tough.
Like the guests and the clientele, they're not necessarily looking for like a bowl of chili and a turkey sandwich. They want kind of high-end stuff.
Yep.
What are you gonna make for us?
I'm gonna make a seared ahi with baby bok choy and sticky rice.
That tuna looks spectacular. Beautiful color.
We were voted number 8 in the entire world for panoramic dining. Where else are you gonna get that view? All right, so our tuna's done. I'm gonna let that rest.
This is beautiful, Chef. Look at that, man.
We got sticky rice, we got the baby bok choy. This is a ponzu glaze we make here. You gotta rest your tuna just like it's a steak.
You gotta sear it and you gotta let it rest. And if you don't, it'll literally bleed on the cutting board and your fish is gonna be dry as a bone.
Black sesame seed.
Fabulous.
We get these nice chili threads right here.
I love those chili threads, man. They're so nice. Like it's almost like a good citrusy chili pop. Look at that. The tuna's delicious. We know what I like the most on this? The sauce.
Sauce kind of pulls it all together.
Thank you so much for hosting our entire crew.
Oh, they were fantastic.
Yeah.
We had a blast.
That was amazing. Love it. This is great. This is my lunch. Not only is the food scene in Palm Springs on fire right now, the hotels here are some of my favorite in the world. Like this is the Sparrows Lodge. The pool's amazing, the vibe is great, but the food scene is amazing. So tonight, Gabriel Wu, who is the chef at the Barn at Sparrows Lodge, is cooking this very unique dinner. He does it once a month, 25 people, farm to table at its finest, and we actually got an invite. This is gonna be great. Hey Chef, how you doing?
Chef, good, how are you?
I'm good, good to see you.
Nice to see you, same. Welcome to Sparrows Lodge.
This place has been on my bucket list forever, not only with what you're doing at the restaurant, but here at the hotel. This place is like an American treasure.
This is a beautiful spot and we have a beautiful dinner lined up for you.
Hello everyone, and welcome. I just wanted to thank you all for joining us here tonight. We put a lot of love and effort into these dinners for you, so we really hope you enjoy them, get to know one another, and just have a really great time.
We have a beautiful menu for you tonight. We're going to start off with a local grapefruit and avocado salad, some nice crumbled feta, a little bit of toasted pepitas, and a jalapeno and citrus vinaigrette. Bushman bread rolls by our friends at Townie Bagels, who are here actually tonight enjoying the dinner. Yeah! Roasted Gonstrop Farms chickens, little farm about 40 miles away in Moreno Valley. The chicken is just great quality. I hope you guys really taste the difference tonight. Yukon Gold potatoes that we simply steam and toss with brown butter, lemon juice and zest, and a little parsley. And then tonight we have a local vegetable succotash for your vegetable side.
We have plenty of delicious food, so don't be afraid to ask for more. So indulge in the food, have some good conversations, make new friends, and let's have a wonderful night tonight. Cheers!
Oh, look at that, amazing. Right. This is like farm-to-table food at its finest, right? We got little gems, some local avocados, and some local grapefruits, and like really beautiful feta cheese. Like you can taste everything. You know, you can taste the season. It tastes like summertime. So good. Look at this chicken. This is amazing. Can I serve you some chicken?
Yes, please.
Would you like a breast or a leg?
Would like a leg.
A leg. Me too. That's where all the flavor is. And you can taste the smoke. It's so good.
So he brines it?
Brined for 5 hours, smoked and then grilled, and it's with the rosemary, it almost has like a bacon quality to it. This is what beautiful summer nights are all about, man. It's enjoying company, enjoying great food. Palm Springs is fabulous, man. We're having such a good time here, and we'll see you guys next week on the road. Thanks so much for watching The Extra Mile. Take care. Listen, guys, thank you so much for watching The Extra Mile, and thank you for checking out Food Network's YouTube channel. Make sure you smash that like button and turn on the notification bell for more great content like The Extra Mile, and we'll see you guys next week on the road. Thanks so much.